Philips Norelco G270 Multi-Trim All-Purpose Groomer. Norelco's Multi-Trim offers all the tools needed to trim beard and mustache, hair on your head, nose, ears, eyebrows, neckline, and sideburns. Philips Norelco All In One Most Versatile Grooming System. New G380 Philips Norelco All In One Grooming System. Versatile product with attachments for multi-function personal grooming. Cordless operation. Includes handy travel pouch. Includes full-size trimmer, mini shaver hair clipper, beard and mustache trimmer, nose, ear and eyebrow trimmer. Norelco All-in-One Grooming System. Sold as 2 units at $22.07 per unit. 7-piece kit. Rechargeable and cordless includes mini shaber, beard and mustache trimmer, nose, ear and eyebrow trimmer, precision trimmer and full-size trimmer. 9 locking length settings. Store and charge stand conveniently charges trimmer and neatly store all accessories. Peggable clamshell. Manufacturer number, G370. SKU, 610-1380. Country of origin, China. Distributed by Norelco Consumer Products. Regalta USA RLTK 3825-piece complete styling and grooming. This new and innovative Regalta ladies travel kit is all you need. This complete set provides you with everything you need to stay fashionable on the go. It includes a 9-in-1 trimmer, 1300-watt blow dryer, mini hair straightener, hairbrush, and clips. 11-piece leather case stainless steel deluxe personal grooming. I bought this for a gift for my mother to take along with her in the motorhome, but she likes the tools, the compact size, and the cute case so much that she carries it with her all the time in her purse. She says these tools are nicer than any manicure tools she has at home. And that's saying a lot, because her hubby loves her nails to be done. She takes great care of them and spends quite a bit of money on tools. Ordering this item for me, now, too. Wall Fade Pro Grooming Kit 79,111 1201. Wall Fade Pro Grooming Kit 79,111 1201.